You better be hungry for some hilarious chins with creepy eyes. So dry. I love all the sounds. Always like a fart. Have a nice day.
How come you're always such a fussy young man? Don't want no Captain Crunch, don't want no Raisin Bran. Well, don't you know that other kids are starving in Japan? So eat it, just eat it.
This is
Don't
relatable.
wanna argue, I don't wanna debate. Don't wanna hear about what kind of food you hate. You won't get no dessert till you clean off your plate. So eat it. Don't you tell me you're full, just eat it.
What was that creature?
Eat it. Get yourself an egg and beat it. Have some more chicken, have some more pie. It doesn't matter if it's boiled or fried.
That's clever.
Just eat it. Just eat it. Just eat it. Just eat it. Oh!
I love those harmonies, having the low and the really high one. That egg line is so clever. How does Weird Al maintain comedy timing yet stay in time with the music? It's a confusing one. It is all about placement of the punchline. He just builds up a little funny line. It's a little bit funny. It's a little bit more funny. A little bit more funny. Bam! Punchline. Beat that egg. Plus, he just fully commits to the character. But how does he sound like both him and Michael Jackson at the same time? We'll talk about that in a minute.
Matter if it's boiled or fried, just eat it. Just eat it. Just eat it. Just eat it. Oh!
Woo!
Your table manners are a crying shame. You're playing with your food, this ain't some kind of game. Now if you starve to death, you'll just have yourself to blame. So eat it. Just eat it. You better listen, better do what you're told. You haven't even touched your tuna casserole. You better chow down or it's gonna
Chow
get
down.
cold. So eat it. I don't care if you're full, just eat it. Eat it. Open up your mouth and feed it. Have some more yogurt, have some more spam. It
Oh,
doesn't
spam.
matter if it's fresh or canned, just eat it. Eat it. Don't you make me repeat it.
Sounds like Michael Jackson and himself at the same time. And normally I would say it's about a playful tone and exaggerating things that the original artist does. Michael Jackson is pretty extreme with vocal nuances that we all know. Yeah, beat it, oh. He's just the perfect person to parody because they are all right there. But the thing about Michael Jackson is it's so compact and everything is so controlled and spot on, and Weird Al likes to make it a little bit more ridiculous. So whether it's the dance moves, yeah, he's doing all the moves, but they're not as precise, let's put it that way. And of course, he adds a little bit of extra nasality in there to make it a little bit more ridiculous. Now the thumbnail in this has some creepy eyes. Where are they?
Eat it. Don't you make me repeat
Michael Jackson.
it. Have a banana, have a whole bunch.
Oh,
It doesn't
there's
matter
none.
what you had for lunch. Just eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it. Eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it.
Oh.
Eat it, eat it. If it's getting cold, reheat it.
It's so clever.
Dinner, have a light snack. If you don't like it, you can't send it back. Just eat it, eat it. Get yourself an egg and beat it. Have some more chicken, have some more pie. It doesn't
It's getting
matter
higher.
if it's boiled or fried. Just eat it, eat it.
Oh, there it is.
You repeat it.
From Thriller. Right? Just like a perfectly balanced recipe, Weird Al combines all the right ingredients at all the right times. So don't be afraid to create your own vocal signature dish. And you know, you can always add a dash of humor to it.